Activity 4 focuses on natural selection, mutations, and adaptation. The students will be looking at 2 species of clams, and they'll be performing simulations to see how different clams are affected in different types of environments. The activity also introduces ocean acidification, which is when the ocean becomes so acidic that ocean creatures are affected, and they'll learn specifically about how clams can be affected by the acidification of the ocean. So these are the materials you will need for this activity. First, you'll need colored pencils, paper, an envelope with DNA strips in it, and then the answer key for the dog traits. They'll also need tape. You'll need clear cups, paper cups, acid-base indicator solution, vinegar, baking soda. These are M&Ms, these are Reese's Pieces, and then they'll also need their youth handout. Dog DNA is the activity that will reinforce the ideas that we learned in activity 3. It's about how traits are coded by DNA. So each student will have their own envelope that has 8 colored strips in it. And the strips correspond with different types of traits that a dog can have. So they'll be drawing a dog based on the traits that they pull. So they'll take an envelope and they'll pull out their first strip, and they'll look at their sheet and they'll figure out what body shape goes with the strip they pulled, and they'll draw that on their paper. And then they'll do that for each of the next traits. So the next one they pull out will tell them what head shape their dog should have, and the next one will tell them what type of ears their dog will have. And eventually they'll have a dog with 8 unique different traits. And then at the end you'll have a conversation with the whole group about how, even though all of the dogs have the same traits, all of their traits are different, and they'll also realize that all the symbols or all the bases are the same in their DNA, but no 2 dogs look exactly the same.